Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to buy S&P 500 on EØTrade. First, you'll need to open a brokerage account, which typically takes around 10 minutes online. Once your account is set up, you'll link it to your bank account to transfer funds. Make sure you deposit enough money to cover your desired investment, as this is a crucial first step before placing any trades. It's quite straightforward. You cannot directly buy the S&P 500 index itself. Instead, you invest in exchange-traded funds, or ETF, or mutual funds that track its performance. On EØTrade, use the search bar to find these funds. Common ETF tickers like SBY, VU, or IVV are excellent options, designed to replicate the index's returns, giving you broad market exposure. Once you've chosen your S&P 500 fund, navigate to the trade ticket. Select Buy and specify the number of shares you wish to purchase or the dollar amount for mutual funds. You can choose a market order for immediate execution at the current price or a limit order to set a specific price. Always review your order carefully before submitting it. After your purchase, you can easily monitor your S&P 500 investment within your EØTrade portfolio. Remember, EØTrade offers zero commission for online trades of many US-listed ETFs and mutual funds, which is a great benefit. For long-term growth, consider setting up automatic investing with as little as $25 for fractional shares to consistently build your position over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.